There are 5 ITIL version 3 service operation processes. Let's have a look at them, starting with event management. Event management is about ensuring events, that is, state changes that have a significance for the management of an IT services, are managed through their lifecycle, including detection, diagnosis, and appropriate actions. Event management is about determining the appropriate control actions, implementing automated event-driven routines, and providing data for operational monitoring and control. Incident management is about minimizing the business disruption of incidents, which are unplanned interruptions to an IT service or a reduction in the quality of an IT service. Incident management does this by getting service components and individual hands on the keyboard users back up and running and restoring services as quickly as possible. Request fulfillment is about ensuring that there's a way for users to get information on the availability of standard services and how to obtain them. It is about helping users to request and receive standard services that they are entitled to promptly by assisting with general information, complaints, or comments. Request fulfillment also helps ensure that recurring request-driven activity is automated. Problem management is about resolving problems, which are the root cause of one or more incidents, and knowing and communicating what the top-end problems are, what we've done to advance them, and what we'll do next. Access management is about granting authorized users rights to use the service. At the same time, we want to prevent access for non-authorized users, ensuring our actions comply with policies and procedures defined in security and availability management.